Imagine swapping the high-rise skyline of an urban city for the lush greenery of a typical yard in Kingston, Jamaica. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, let's delve into this contrast. Urban living often offers convenience and speed, but the rhythm of life in Kingston offers something different. Here, nature's bounty is right in your backyard. A typical yard in Kingston is a verdant oasis, brimming with an assortment of fruit trees, mangoes, bananas, ackee, breadfruit, you name it. These cozy spaces, about the size of a small basketball court, aren't just patches of green, but intimate pockets of life, testaments to the fertile lands of this beautiful island. They are a reflection of the love Jamaicans have for their land and a symbol of their connection to nature. These yards are a testament to the rich